Okay, so the Oppo Find X is here and it looks like a fantastic smartphone. It comes feature packed, and yes, trust me or not, it is one of the best flagships you can see right now. Yes, it has got unique features and I'm sure you'll love them. So let's get started. Basically, in the start, we can see a design which is much similar to the Galaxy S8 and the Galaxy S9. Curved edges, minimum bezels are what you see on the Oppo Find X. There's no top bezel and the bottom bezel is actually very minimal. It is even less than the Galaxy S9. So the display, an OLED display, 6.4 inches, full HD plus resolution. Yes, you'd be thinking, where's the camera? It actually has a pop-up camera. It is similar to what you see on the Vivo Next, but this time the whole top moves upward and downward. Yes, that's what you call a pop-up camera. So basically the camera at the front and the back are set up in that single camera pop-up tray. I actually love the design, and the best thing about this is there's no notch to the phone. Because notch is basically most of the people hate right now. Notch has become a trend right now, and I think this is a great one for those notch haters right now. Now let's come to specifications. Snapdragon 845, 8GB of RAM, plenty of storage options, a dual camera setup at the back that is 16 plus 20 megapixels, which is similar to what you find on the OnePlus 6. At the front, you also have a single camera which is 25 megapixels. The dual camera setup can take portrait pictures as well. So I think the camera would not be very good on this guy, but what you actually get is that pop-up camera, no notch, a great bezel-less beauty, which you will surely love. So basically the whole top tray is mechanical. It moves upward, it moves downward and takes the camera with it. Yes, there's no fingerprint on this guy, but you got face unlock on this. So when you unlock the phone, the tray pops up, scans your face. After unlocking, it goes back down. So, and Oppo says it is a very fast process, so I think that it is capable enough. Now let's come to the battery on this guy. 3730 milliamps is the battery, and you do get VOC fast charging, which is actually similar to what you get on OnePlus's Dash Charge. So I think fast charging is present on this guy and it will be fantastic. The only sad part on this guy is that you don't have a headphone jack. So the price of this guy is less than what you get on the S9 Plus. So the price is expected to be between $700 and $800. That's fantastic for a flagship device. And so how? Mostly bezel-less, 92.5% is the screen to body ratio, no notch, and I think that pop-up tray will be fantastic. So how's the phone? I think it is fantastic and it'll be a great buy in 2018. The only problem with this phone is that name Oppo. Not sure about its availability in India, but it will be available in other countries. So guys, this was a quick video on the Oppo Find X. Thanks for watching guys, because that really helps. Thumbs if you liked it, subs if you loved it, and I'll see you in the next one.